Hello, I'm Hamid Salimi and I'm the Product Specialist in Heating and Renewables at Daikin UK. Today I'd like to talk to you about our new high temperature heat pump, the Daikin Altherma 3 HHT or E-Series, which comes both in integrated water tank and wall mounted indoor options. Daikin Altherma HHT integrated indoor unit is highly efficient, it's easy to install and easy to control. So let me show you exactly why it's such a great all-round performer. As you may have heard, when we first introduced the new Daikin Altherma 3 HHT into the market, this single fan outdoor unit is aesthetically pleasing with sleek design and achieves some of the highest efficiencies and lowest sound levels in the market. Advanced features include cloud connectivity and a wireless LAN adapter for the residential app control, plus smart grid compatibility and new upgraded software for better performance. Plus, it's now available with a floor-standing indoor unit, which includes an integrated stainless steel hot water tank, as well as wall-mounted version designed for use with a separate hot water tank. The system comes in sizes 14, 16 and 18 for the outdoor unit, and a size 16 for both the integrated wall-mounted indoor variants. Integrated hot water tanks are also available with other units, such as our low temperature system, the Daikin Altherma 3 LT Split. Whilst many of the same advantages of having an integrated hot water tank apply, there are some differences in the setup and options, so please refer to the manuals for details. As you can see, the Daikin Altherma HHT integrated indoor unit has a really stylish design, which has won an IF Design Award and a Red Dot Award. The unit comes with a curved front plate and a metal casing with a high gloss black panel on the top edge, which gives this unit its distinctive look. The glossy panel on top also has a high resolution, easy to use, built-in controller. This means it can be easily located in a kitchen, in a utility room, or other locations, depending on the individual requirements. The internal components of the unit are laid out in such a way that the integrated hot water storage tank is on the bottom section, and all the hydraulic components are on the top section. To ensure easy access to all electrical connections, the switch box is located on the top front portion of the unit, whereas for the hydraulic access, all the piping connections are on the top of the unit. As mentioned earlier, the indoor unit comes with an integrated stainless steel hot water tank and is compliant for the UK market. It offers two hot water tank sizes options, 180 litres and 230 litres, which makes the system suitable for busy homes with multiple users. The hot water storage tank is well insulated and therefore offers some of the lowest standing losses in the market. If the integrated indoor is used, the system will provide domestic hot water temperature of over 60 degrees in the tank. Also, due to the better coil configuration, these integrated tanks will provide higher volumes compared to a standalone tank with the same size. One of the major reasons for the system's high efficiencies is because it uses R32 refrigerant, which has a low global warming potential and much better performance compared with any R410A based heat pump. As a result, it provides high efficiencies with a coefficient of performance or COP of 5 at 7 degrees outdoor temperature and 35 degrees leaving water temperature. And it gives a seasonal efficiencies of up to A+++. The system provides a maximum leaving water temperature of 70 degrees in space heating mode and in operation range down to -28 degrees. It provides a guaranteed leaving water temperature of 70 degrees only from the heat pump down to -15 degrees outdoor temperature. Another great benefit of the Daikin Altherma HHT integrated unit is that it's easy to install with all the components easily accessible. With a small footprint of less than 600 mm wide by 600 mm deep this indoor unit can be installed anywhere. All the water connections and hydraulic components are accessible from the top, such as the pressure sensor, magnetic filter, expansion vessel, backup heater, flow sensor, three-way valve, and circulation pump. The switch box is also accessible from the front and can be hinged in service position, which makes access to the internal components even easier. Thanks to its small footprint and easy access features, the unit requires a small service and installation space. Even with the G3 kit fitted, the required clearance for the unit is 500 mm at the front, 50 mm on one side, less than 50 mm on the other side, 100 mm at the back, and if installed neatly, 700 mm on the top. Daikin Altherma HHD system is also easy to control. The indoor unit has an onboard high resolution and easy to use controller with the Daikin eye showing real-time status for easy access by the installer to quick field settings and commissioning. By using this controller, commissioning can be carried out in 9 easy steps, which means that there will be fewer potential mistakes and less time on site, which will save both time and money for the installer. The same interface can also be used for the day-to-day control by the end user, so they can have peace of mind knowing that they have full control of their heating system. The system is cloud ready with the wireless LAN cartridge or SD card supplied as a standard. Just take the SD card out of the bag delivered with the unit, slot it into the indoor PCB, and the system is ready to be controlled and monitored by the app. When connected to the app, you can both control and monitor the unit from anywhere. For example, you can use the app to switch the unit on and off, change the space heating and domestic hot water temperatures, set up schedules, view energy consumption, and monitor faults. There is no limit to the number of users who can access the system via a single app. By using the wireless LAN adapter, voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant can also be achieved, as can cloud connectivity from a third-party application program interface. The Daikin Altherma 3 HHD system is also smart grid compatible with the connections available on the indoor PCB. This means that the system can be connected to the PV panels and is then set so that the heat pump system makes use of solar grid power to produce domestic hot water and heat or cool the space. So the two smart grid connections are on X5M strip of the PCB, and it's the connections 5 and 6 and 9 and 10. So we've got two connections for smart grid, and these are connections 5 and 6 and 9 and 10. These connections are volt free. For high voltage connection, you can still use these connection terminals, but you need to use an optional relay accessory, EKRE LSG. When paired with the wall-mounted unit, this system comes in both heating only and reversible types, whereas the integrated unit is heating only. Both options are available a single-phase and 3-phase power supply with 6 kilowatt backup heater. For the reversible option, the drain pan is included in the unit. In summary, the Daikin Altherma 3 HHD E-Series is a perfect solution for the renovation market. It can be used in large properties where, depending on the heat loss, it can be used in cascade arrangement or standalone. This system is also suitable for distribution via our sustainable home centres and those heating engineers who want to install a renewable product without having to have F-gas certification. For more information about this product or if you would want to use this system for your next project, please contact your sales engineer or the National Heating Installer Hub and we'll be happy to help you.